In this tutorial, you will see how to show a face in Photoshop. Here I have the image 1 and the image number 2, and here is the final output, and this is amazing. So let me show you how I made this in Photoshop. Go to File, let me open two files, Mr. Bean and the Superman. Let me click on Open. So here is Superman and here is Mr. Bean. Now here my background layer is locked. Let me click on this and this is okay. Now go to here, let me click on the lasso tool and let me drag it like this. And Ctrl C to copy and go to my Superman image and paste it over it. Select the move tool and go to here, press Ctrl T to select the area, hold down the shift key and reduce the size and place it here. Let me press Ctrl plus sign to zoom in. Again press shift button to reduce the size and place it here like this. Now I have to change the opacity of this image to see the background on. Let me change the opacity, then I will be able to adjust the face according to my previous one. So let me press Ctrl T to select and adjust it like this, like the previous one. Then it will be more perfect. Now this is looking okay and click on enter. Now increase the opacity and let me unlock the background layer by clicking on this. Now let me click on this layer, press Ctrl key, click on over this to select the area. Then let me invisible the layer and select the background layer. Go to select, go to modify, go to contract and contract by 5 pixel and click on OK and press the delete button to delete the area and press Ctrl D to deselect the area and visible the layer 1. Now let me select this layer, hold down the shift key and select this layer, go to edit and go to auto blend layer and click on the panorama and seamless tones and colors and click on OK. And here you will see this is like a magic. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.